Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and I created this look using the Jaclyn Hill palette that I received for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done. I went ahead and did them off of camera, and I am so sorry for the lighting. Let me see if I can improve it really quick before I actually get started. So the first thing I'm doing is priming with the LORAC Behind the Scenes eye primer, and I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelids. I did go ahead and conceal under the eyebrow just in case you guys were wondering. So to set the eye, I'm going into my Carly Bible Deluxe Edition, and what I like to use when setting my lids is this lightest vanilla shade, and that's just, I use this shade or a similar shade to set. You can also use like some translucent powder, basically whatever you want to use to set. This is just the color that I use now. So basically that is the only color that I'm going to be using off of the Carly Bible palette. So the star of this look is going to be the Jaclyn Hill palette. She collaborated with Morphe, I'm pretty sure you guys know, and I might insert the lid colors, like the colors, as I go somewhere down here. So if I don't, then just check the description box down below and it'll definitely be listed. One thing that I really love about this palette is that she has the names on the back, and I know how to explain everything to you guys. So first thing first, I want to start off with going in with Silk Cream. I'm going to use that as a transition shade, and I'm just going to be placing that mostly on my crease, just to help the blending process out a bit. And the brush that I'm using is a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So going into Pooter, I'm gonna apply that as well in my crease, just to start intensifying my crease a bit. I think so I have a pretty good transition going on. I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm gonna move on to the next color. The next color that I'm gonna use is called, so going into the color Roxanne with a pencil brush. It's just a BH Cosmetic brush as well. I'm gonna place that right into my crease. And you can build your crease up as much as you want or as little as you want. So if you don't want a very dramatic look, then definitely feel free to lighten it up a bit. But I mean, to me, the eyeshadow look is gorgeous, and I wore this look out yesterday when I went out to celebrate my birthday. So I'm gonna be using the same shade just to create my crease a little bit darker and deeper. And I'm not a professional, I just do basically what works for me and what I like. I know I've mentioned it plenty of times, but makeup's an art, so there's like no right or wrong way to do it. So I mean, if you like a certain thing, then I say go for it, do it. If you're scared to try colors, or even just go out wearing like different colors, but that's something that you really like, and you know, I say do it anyways, wear them out anyways. To me, makeup is just like a way to express myself. The shade right next to it, which would be this shade right here, and that one is called Jacz. And that's a really pretty like red color. And as you can see, it kind of deepens it up. For my shade, I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush, and the color that I'm using for this one is this color right here. That one is called Cranapple. And I'm going to spray my brush and then dip into that really gorgeous color and start applying it to my lid. Just pack it on as much as you want. Like, you could even use your finger to apply this shimmery shade, but I find that just spraying it with some setting spray or some water, whatever you have, helps the color apply a lot easier and a lot brighter. For my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Beam, and I've really been loving this on the brow bone. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this small tutorial, and again, I apologize for the lighting. I am gonna work on it, try to invest in some ring lights, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. With that being said, I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.
Pretty brown eyes, let me know